Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jabby. If you want to know how I created this look, please continue watching. So today we are going to use Focallure Sweet as Honey. I'm gonna go in with rosy brown at the outer corner and the inside corner. I'm gonna blend them and connect them here in the crease. I'm building up color. And blending the edges. Next, I'm gonna go in with black color, Myrtle, just a little bit. Have to be careful with black because you're gonna make a mess easily. I'm slowly adding more color. For inner. Slowly. You have to be patient with eyeshadow. Every time I try to do halo eye, I keep making it going this way. I don't know why. Trying to make it straight. I'm gonna buff it out. Got a little mess here. I'm going back to rosy brown to help this part. I'm still using rosy brown. Trying to blend everything. Okay, my favorite shape, Cleopatra. I'm gonna use my finger right in the middle. I'm gonna blend a little around the edge of the shimmer. I want to add more black. Also inside corner. I'm cleaning my brush. Then I'm gonna blend. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use rosy brown. Then I'm gonna take black color and put it on here. Oh, careful. I want the edge to look a little bit softer, so I'm gonna use desert sand on my fluffy brush. Just around the edges. I came too low. I'm gonna clean that with concealer. Now I'm gonna use my black eye pencil for my waterline. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Okay, lashes are done. I'm gonna take this color to highlight my inner corner. Okay, this is the final look. Thank you for joining today. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribe and liking the video.